everybody. Just wanted to say hi, let you guys know that I am still here. It's been a very long time since I made a video. It's been like over a year since I made a video. I think it was June or July of last year was the last time that I actually made a video. So I kind of feel a little bit new to this again. I feel a little nervous, but just wanted to say hi to everybody, let you know that I am still around. I'm still enjoying makeup. I have a lot of things I'd like to do. I'd like to do some more makeup tutorials. I'd like to do some reviews. I would love to do a favorites video, things like that. I just haven't had a lot of time to be able to do that. Last year I had a lot of issues going on. I had some really bad health issues that happened. I don't want to get into, but you know, I'm better now and I'm fine and I feel great, and I want to come back. I don't have that much free time anymore between work and other things in my life right now. I cannot promise that I'm going to be here regularly, but I will be here. I promise you I will be here. As I get a chance, I will try to do some, something, record some stuff and put it out there. So for those of you that are still subscribed to me, thank you so much. I'm happy you're sticking with me. I hope I get some new subscribers along the way, but for those that are still subscribed to me, thank you. I hope you will enjoy my new videos as much as you did what I did in the past. It seems like forever ago that I made those videos. So I just want to say hi, let you guys know that I'm here, and hopefully I'll be making some videos soon. Bye-bye.